Kurtz Ersa here at Productronica. I'm delighted to be joined by Rainer Kraus, of course, who's the Global Sales Director. Nice to see you again, Rainer.
Welcome on our booth. So it's another busy day on the Productronica in Munich.
Absolutely, and of course you're always at the center of things because you are so much involved in the modernization in the factory space with the robotics and the ovens and everything else. So give us an update of what's happening now. What's your latest product here?
Yeah. So we have a wide range, and what you say already, it's with automation. So we started this year really, so full speed, takes the pedal to the metal in automation. Mm-hmm. We have more than 50 orders for automation and reflow, and in power flow, wave soldering machines, selective machines, but we are standing here in front of our brand new EXOS reflow oven. So this is a vacuum oven, and maybe you are now wondering, so we are a late follower in vacuum oven. Yeah. We have before a different technology, but this technology works on this time only with aluminum plates for LEDs. So this is a vacuum reflow oven called EXOS with 26 zones. It's a huge machine for high throughput. And we was listening the market, we was listening our customers and say, okay, we have already one. And when you build one, you have to change 5, 6 important things inside the machine, mechanical wise, from the vacuum, from the temperature profile. And we have done this. And we are starting here to sell the machine, but we got already 2 handful of orders from customer what have experienced, say, okay, this is the right one for my second or third machine. So we are very proud, and we look forward that this is the right machine for the next 2, 3, 4 years.
That's wonderful. So basically you've waited, taken your time and watched all the others and learned everybody's mistakes and made sure you come out with the perfect system.
Thank you. This is a really nice wording. No, the market knows that we have done a different system where we have called a vibration inside. What works, but the goal on this, it's you need the same pressure on the boards the whole time. We cannot make this, we didn't find the solution for this, and this is why we started 2 years ago on the show, on the Productronica for 2 years. Yes, we started with vacuum, and here it's an EXOS machine, and we call this also not reflow like the other ones, it's an EXOS. It's a standalone machine inside our portfolio.
Now, maybe not a lot of people know this, but of course you're one of the largest manufacturers in the world of reflow systems. I think you've had an amazing year. How many have you made this year?
Yeah, so in the high-class reflow ovens, and this is really, Ersa it's underestimated on this. So we built this year 750 ovens, So it's around 600 ovens in China and 150 in Germany. So we are really one of the big players in reflow ovens, but nobody knows this. So most customers see us as hand tooling, rework, selective machines. Also this automation, it's new. Or when we look to our Versa Print 2, to our new stencil printers, we sold in the first 2 years 120 units. So we are in the game, and you can see this here on our show, how busy the booths are, how many visitors we have.
Yeah, well, we certainly see you, and we see you all over the world. So what else are we looking at that's new on the booth here?
So we have new rework systems, the rework hybrid 550, 500. We have a soldering robotic system now. We was struggling along on this internally. We don't do it now, we have one. So we have a really wide range now, from hand soldering over automatic soldering to rework, and then the other side from the machine, from stencil printer to full automatic line. And this is also what we show here on the booth. Time is changing, so we discussed this before a little bit. Automotive is changing, and this means global ahead, sustainable. Yeah. For us, this is our customers see us like this. And on the other side, Industry 4.4, we have this in rework system, and we have this in the EXOS. Yes. Today. Hardly connected. We have electromobility, and this is not only cars. This is also drilling machines. This is all when you are a gardener, everything what you have at home. Normally you buy everything without a cable, and today a big field, it's 5G technology. So we build today selective machines for 3 meters. 3-meter long boards, unbelievable. We built wave soldering machines with 850 millimeter or reflow ovens with 1.2 meter boards. So it's a wide range, it's a new technology, it's a changing. We are very close to 2020.
Yeah, I mean, they're not only bigger boards, but they're also heavier boards as well. So you have to adjust your equipment to handle this.
Absolutely right, and it's more than a board. So it's a 3D aluminum case where we solder the printed circuit board together with the motor, together with the electronic components inside. So this is on one side, of course, electromobility, all these motor drives in battery cars, but it's also when you open today the motor and you see all the ventilators, the pumps are all electrical driven. The steer wheel, it's electrical, and these are aluminum case where 30 kilos, it's easily what you have to transport inside the machine.
Yeah, there's so much happening in the automotive world. It's incredible, and quite a fight going on between the high power used in the powertrain and the low voltage getting used in the other side as well. Looking at the robotics, the soldering side again, are you moving into the robotic soldering business?
We stay in our own competition, let me say. So we have hand soldering units, and then we say, okay, with a smart flow as a selective machine, this is when you have more than 5 boards on the same wick, go with a smart flow. So we are competition inside in the company. On the other side, when you have 3 boards or 5 boards, you can do also robotic soldering, especially when you turn the board. And this is why it's a need from our customer. And when you are leader or when you want to be leader, you have to give the customer all opportunities. And this is now possible.
So that'll come along. So I think that's. Is there anything else on the printer side that's new this week?
We see a trend, but this is maybe for us, then we are the only one what have the SPI inside the printer. Mm-hmm. Of course, this is not for high throughput, this is not for 5 panels per minute, but for our customer base, it's the machine where the customer needed, and we sell more stencil printer with SPI than without. So this is, but this is especially for Ersa.
Yeah, for tier 3s and tier 4s, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Raina, I know you've got a lot of time here. You're very busy here on the booth, so I want to thank you for sharing us some of the latest things from Kurtz Ersa today.
Thanks you for visiting. You are anytime welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.